Hi everyone, my name is Miss Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own coffee scrub exfoliator. So what you will need is a jar or a container, brown sugar, fresh coffee grounds, coconut oil, and measuring cups. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to measure out 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And you'll just pour it right into your jar or your container. So we put in our brown sugar. Now let's get our coconut oil. Okay, so now we have 1/4 cup coconut oil and 1/4 cup brown sugar. We can mix it up a little bit. And then we're going to take a 1/2 cup of the coffee grounds. Okay. Once you've measured out the coffee grounds and poured them into your jar, you're going to want to mix everything up again. Okay, and once it's mixed up, it's going to look like this. But when you feel it, it will kind of feel like an exfoliator. And you can use it on your face or on your skin to get rid of your dead skin cells and leave your skin nice and soft. After you make your scrub, you're going to want to keep it in the fridge to make sure it doesn't grow any mold or go bad. And you're also going to want to use it within 2 weeks. But it's very easy to make. As you can see, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and it can make a nice gift for somebody in the future or for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make the DIY coffee scrub exfoliator, and I hope that it works out nicely for you. Thank you and have a good day.